Good morning, dear students. Today we'll continue with chemical formula. In the last period, we discussed 6 chemical formulas, how to frame chemical formulas. 6 examples we did in the last period. Now we'll continue in that to write the chemical formula. So number 7, aluminium oxide. So aluminium ion, what is the formula of aluminium ion? Al 3 plus. What is aluminium ion? Al 3 plus. And next oxide, oxide O2 minus. Oxide is O2 minus, aluminium Al 3 plus. So write the symbol of aluminium first. Al, oxide, O. Now 3 plus, what is the charge? Plus 3. So you can write directly plus 3. And oxide, what is the charge? Minus 2. Now this charge no need to write, you can remove it, you just write the valencies. Okay. Now cross multiply, 2 will go with Al, Al2, and 3 will go with O, so O3. So what is formula of aluminium oxide? Al2O3. Okay. Next, potassium. What is potassium? Symbol K. And potassium ion K plus. And students, positive ions, how it is formed? By losing electrons. And negative ions, how it is formed? By gaining electrons. Okay, so K plus means potassium loses how many electrons? 1 electron. And that will be, and as it is losing 1 electron to attain the electronic configuration of its nearest noble gas, so that one is its valency. Because what is valency? Valency is number of electrons an atom lose, gain or share to attain the electronic configuration of its nearest noble gas. So potassium, it is losing how many electron? 1 electron. Plus means 1 plus. It is losing 1 electron. So what is valency of potassium? 1. So write the symbol of potassium K. K plus means it is losing electron. How many electron it is losing? 1. So what is valency of potassium? 1. Next, nitrate. 8. When the ending is 8, it is group of atoms with negative charge. When ending is 8, it is group of atoms with negative charge. It is polyatomic ion. And nitrate means nitrogen is there. Along with that, oxygen. Remember in that way. So what is formula of nitrate ion? Capital N, capital O, 3. NO3 minus. And this is group of atom, 1 nitrogen atom, 3 oxygen atom. So group of atoms carrying negative charge. So it is polyatomic ion. So students, remember when the ending is 8, it means it is group of atoms with negative charge. It is polyatomic ion. And when ending is D, it is negative ion, single atom with negative ion. Single atom with negative charge. Single atom with negative charge. And 8 ending, group of atoms with negative charge. Okay. So nitrate, what is formula? NO3. Many students do the mistake, this 3 they take as valency. This is not valency. Formula of nitrate is NO3. And what is valency? Minus means minus 1. So what is valency? 1. So write the valency 1. Now 1, if you cross multiply, you will get the same. You will not write K1 NO3 1. You just write what is formula? KNO3. Okay. And this is potassium nitrate. And all capital letter students, size should be same. And 3 you will write as subscript. It should be at the bottom, lower side. You will write, not beside it. Next, sodium sulfate. Sodium, what is symbol? Na, capital N, small a. When you write small a, size should be small. And it is plus, positive ion. And plus means how many electron it is losing? 1 electron. So what is valency? 1. So sodium, capital N, small a, plus means plus 1, means how many electron it is losing? 1. So what is valency? 1. Sulfate, again ending is 8 students. So along with sulfur, oxygen will be there. So it is group of atoms with negative charge, polyatomic ion. So sulfate, you should remember the formula SO4, 2 minus, capital S, capital O, 4, SO4, 2 minus. 2 minus means what is valency? 2. So sulfate SO4. Again, students do the mistake. This 4 they take as valency. This is not valency. This is formula. This comes under formula of sulfate SO4. And what is valency? 2 minus means what is valency? 2. Charge is minus. Charge for framing the formula it is not required. So no need to write. So you will write 2. Now cross multiply. 2 will go with Na. So you will write Na2. 2 you will write as subscript, lower side. Then 1 will go with SO4. 1 no need to write, just write SO4. So what is formula? Sodium sulfate Na2SO4. Next, calcium. What is symbol calcium? Ca, and it is again a positive ion, 2 plus. It is losing electrons, so positive sign. How many electron it is losing? 2. So what is its valency? 2. Again I repeat, what is valency? Number of electrons an atom lose, gain or share to attain the electronic configuration of its nearest noble gas. That will be its valency. So calcium, positive ion means it is losing electron. How many electron it is losing? 2 electron. So what is valency of calcium? 2. So calcium Ca, and what is valency? 2. Capital C, small a, size of A should be small. You will not write Ca. This is wrong way of writing. You will not get marks. You will get 0 directly. Okay. Next, nitrate. Again ending is 8 means negative ion. Along with nitrogen, oxygen will be there. So remember the formula of nitrate. What is nitrate formula? Already we discussed NO3 and it is minus. Minus means minus 1. So what is valency? 1. Okay. So nitrate, capital N, capital O, all capital letters, size same. NO3, 3 write as subscript. Okay. In the lower side. And what is valency? 1. Now cross multiply. 1 will go with Ca. You will not write Ca1. Simply write Ca. Then 2 will go with NO3. And NO3 is group of atoms carrying negative charge. It is polyatomic ion. And when there is polyatomic ion, you will put bracket NO3. You will put bracket and then write 2. Because this 2 is for nitrogen as well as for oxygen. So, in case of polyatomic ion, you have to put bracket. And how you will read it? CaNO3 whole twice. CaNO3 whole twice. Calcium nitrate. Next, ammonium. Again, ammonium is polyatomic ion. NH4 plus among positive ion, group of atoms carrying positive charge. Only one polyatomic ion. What is that? Ammonium ion. So, ammonium, what is formula? NH4. Capital N, capital H, 4. Plus means plus 1. So, what is valency? 1. Next, carbonate. Again, ending is 8. 8 means group of atoms. carrying negative charge. So along with carbon, what will be there? Oxygen. And carbonate, what is formula? CO3, 2 minus. So 3 is not the valency, this is formula, it comes in the formula. So what is formula of carbonate ion? CO3, 2 minus. 2 minus means what is valency? 2. So carbonate CO3, what is valency? 2. Now cross multiply. 2 will come with NH4. Again, NH4 is polyatomic ion, group of atoms carrying positive charge. So, how you will write this 2? You will put bracket NH4 whole twice. And this 1 will go with CO3. So, 1 you don't have to write. So, you will not put bracket because again CO3 is polyatomic ion. So 1 you don't write, so you will not put bracket. So how you will read it? NH4 whole twice CO3. NH4 whole twice CO3. This is ammonium carbonate formula. Next, copper 2 sulfate it is mentioned, students. So copper has 2 valency, Cu plus and Cu2 plus. Means 1 and 2. It can lose 1 electron as well as it loses 2 electrons to attain the electronic configuration of its nearest noble gas. So copper has 2 valencies, 1 and 2. And here it is written in Roman numeral 2 within bracket, means copper. Which valency is used here? 2. Okay. And copper, what is symbol? Capital C, small u. Size should be small. And what is valency used here? 2. Sulfate, again 8 ending, means it is group of atoms carrying negative charge. So along with sulfur, oxygen. And what is sulfate formula? SO4. So SO4, 2 minus means valency is 2. And if you can divide it by common factor, you will simplify it and then you will cross multiply. So 2 ones are 2 ones are. Then you will cross multiply. And 1 no need to write, just simply you will write CuSO4. Look students, 1 comes with SO4, goes with SO4. And SO4 is polyatomic ion, but 1 you will not write, so you will not put bracket. Okay, so what is copper 2 sulfate formula? CuSO4. Okay, now more examples we will discuss just now.